gate drops, and out of the gate they fire. Stuart Spalding, it looks like 718, one of the early blokes to show out the front there. Another rider up there beside him, I think might have been Cameron May, but I couldn't confirm that. We'll get another look at them. One rider up there doing a big dance with his bike, but he stayed in the saddle and he's kept it sunny side up. Round they come. It looks like Stuart Spalding's lost his front running. Rider now out there in the front looks to be, I think it might be 637. Danny Milan out there in front. Stuart Spalding behind him in second position. And I think that might have been young David. Around they come now into the starter section. Pretty close, these front three, nothing much between them. David Phillips back there, 514, riding in third place, but he looks a bit keen to throw out a challenge. He wants to improve his lot from that. Nothing much between these front three at all. Not much of a gap between them and the rest of the field either, just quietly. Over the ski jumps they go and around to the St John's. Nothing between them. There's only a bike between each of these three places. Trying very hard there, and down they go over the drop-offs down into the corner 10 behind the tower here. Confirm these placings for you when we get a good look at the numbers. Nothing much in this one at all. Could be all sorts of action in this one. Down past the tower they come. 637 it is. Danny Milan out there in front. 718. Stuart Spalding chasing him in second place. In fact, Stuart Spalding's made a move. He's taken him over the jumps there. Can he hold on to it? Stuart Spalding back in the front. Danny Milan back in second place. And David Phillips 514 in third. But up in the big sweep for David Phillips making a big move up there. Can he do it? We won't know till we see them again under the overpass. But David Phillips 514 is making a big move on him up there. Out they come. Let's see. David Phillips 514 has moved himself through into second position. So that's now Stuart Spalding leading this race. David Phillips up there in second place. Then back to Danny Milan, and then I think it's 734, Richard Ellew behind him. Nothing. Running fourth at the moment. Stuart Spalding still our leader round the opposite corner. Stuart Spalding leading. Out there in second place, I think it might be. No, I can't pick him. We'll get him for you though. Still Stuart Spalding 718 out there. Round the St John's corner he goes. Looking fairly secure in his seat out there. David Phillips 514 back in third position. I think you'll find that that's Richard Ellew behind him. Around they come now. Richard Ellew, in fact, has moved his way up into second position. That's Richard Ellew in second. So it's Stuart Spalding 718 leading this one. Richard Ellew through into second place. David Phillips into third. He's followed round by Danny Milan 737, and then we've got 469 Darren Taylor chasing those front four riders around the pack. And by crikey, he's not out of contention either. Up round the big sweeper they go. Stuart Spalding still holding on. Richard Ellew behind him. David Phillips lagging back a little bit now, still sitting in third place, but losing sight of these front runners just a little. Over the tabletop they go. Stuart Spalding still holding on to a lead here. Not a great lead, but it's enough to win it for him if he can stay in the saddle. Richard Ellew behind him. Then David Phillips. Then we go back to Darren Taylor, I think it might have been up there in the running, and he was being followed around by Danny Milan. Goes the leader up into the off-camber corner once again. Still holding on to his lead. Richard Ellew behind him. Still David Phillips holding on to third place. Round they go through the hoopty whoever you prefer, down into corner 6. David place lost a lot of ground there, dropped back a long way for some reason. Rather than held on to third place, the front two runners really pulled away through that stutter section. Stuart Spalding, Ellew, 1 and 2, past St John's they go. David Phillips, long way back in third place now, casting a bit of a glance over the shoulder there to check out the opposition. He's got a rider not far behind him there, so he wants to watch his P's and Q's if he's going to take this one home in third. Round they come now to take the checkered flag. He's take it home. He's followed over the line by Richard Elgin, 7:30.